How to turn off Facebook story screenshot. Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your Facebook stories privacy so that no one can take its screenshot. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest updates. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is open up your Facebook and log into your account. Now head over to your menu section and scroll down until you see settings and privacy, and from here just tap on settings. Once you get here, just scroll down until you see audience and visibility, and from here tap on stories. Once you get here, all you need to do is on who can see your stories, you need to make sure that it's just set to friends, tap on save and tap on save again. So on allow others to share your public stories to their own story, turn it off, and then from here on the allow people to share your stories if you mention them, just turn it off as well and turn off everything else. Once you do that, you can tap on stories you've muted, and if there are any stories that you've muted, then it will show up right here. And once you do that, you just have to go back and then tap on your profile icon, and from here tap on the three dots and just tap on lock profile. So once you lock your profile, no one will be able to see your stories or screenshot them. That's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.